Hello, friends. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Educational Living. Let's fly with success. Today is 2nd October 2020. This is our current affairs session. I am Sujit Kumar Mishra, your friend and mentor, here to discuss and analyze today's current affairs. It is very much helpful for all competitive examination. So try to watch the session till end for your better knowledge and preparation. Those who first visit Educational Living, please subscribe the channel for the further updates. Okay, it is very much helpful for all competitive exam. Let's proceed towards today's session. This was our previous question. Our first question was, who has been appointed as new chairman of TRAI? PD Waghela, Binay Kumar, RS Sharma, option D, none of these. The correct answer here is PD Waghela. So option A is correct here. The Appointments Committee of Cabinet has appointed PD Waghela as the chairman of TRAI. The abbreviation of TRAI is Telecom Regulatory of India. Okay, he will succeed RS Sharma and achieve the chairman post. Okay, our second question was, who is chosen by Reserve Bank of India for awareness campaign? Amir Khan, Amitabh Bachchan, Akshay Kumar, option D, none of these. The correct answer here is Bollywood megastar Amitabh Bachchan. Recently, Amitabh Bachchan is chosen for the customer awareness campaign. The campaign aimed to prevent the gullible account holders from being duped by the frauds. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. So proceed towards today's first question. First question of the today's session is, when International Day of Older Person is observed? 30 September, 1st October, 2nd October, or option D, 3rd October. The correct answer here is 1st October. On October 1st, International Day of Older Person is celebrated. Okay, and the theme of 2020 is pandemics, do they change how we address age and aging, is the theme of 2020. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Who has launched the project Operation My Saheli? South Eastern Railway, Eastern Railway, Western Railway, or option D, Central Railway? The correct answer here is SER, South Eastern Railway. South Eastern Railway has launched the project Operation My Saheli to enhance the security of women passenger in the train. Okay, and the headquarter of the SER or South Eastern Railway is in West Bengal. Headquarter is in West Bengal, and the general manager or the GM of South Eastern Railway is Sanjay Kumar Mahanti. Sanjay Kumar Mahanti is the general manager of South Eastern Railway. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Who is appointed as the brand ambassador of Bengal Peerless? Sachin Tendulkar, Virat Kohli, option C, Saurabh Ganguly, or option D, Kapil Dev. As per you see the image, the former national cricket team captain Saurabh Ganguly. So the correct answer here is option C, Saurabh Ganguly. Recently, the Kolkata-based real estate developer Bengal Peerless Housing Development Company Limited appointed president of BCCI, the president of BCCI, Saurabh Ganguly, as its brand ambassador. Bengal Peerless. Remember the name. Okay. Next question. Who has launched the mission Asim for scheduled caste? SC. Narendra Modi, Thawar Chand Gehlot, Prakash Javadekar, option D, Hardeep Singh Puri. The correct answer here is Thawar Chand Gehlot. Option B is correct here. Thawar Chand Gehlot, the Union Minister for Social Justice and Empowerment, launched ASIM, ASSI, for scheduled caste. The abbreviation of ASIM is Ambedkar Social Innovation and Incubation Mission. Ambedkar Social Innovation and Incubation Mission is the abbreviation of ASIM. It is for the SC students to promote the innovation and enterprises, those who studying in higher education. Okay. Next question. Question number 5. IBE Note, a green initiative, is launched by which bank? SDFC, Indian, IDBI, or option D, Karnataka Bank. The correct answer here is Indian Bank. Option B is correct here. Recently, Indian Bank has launched a green initiative named IBE Note to enable a total paperless working environment. To enable a total paperless working environment. Okay, the headquarter of Indian Bank is situated in Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Remember, it is situated in Chennai, not in Mumbai. Chennai, Tamil Nadu. And the MD and CEO of Indian Bank is Padmaja Chunduru. Padmaja Chunduru is the MD and CEO of Indian Bank. I hope you got the facts also now. Next question. Alyssa Healy has broken the record of MS Dhoni's wicket keeping in T20s. She is from which country? Australia, Sri Lanka, India, or option D, West Indies? The correct answer here is Australia. Option A is correct here. The Australian women cricketer and wicket keeper Alyssa Healy broke the record of most dismissal by a wicket keeper. Most dismissal by a wicket keeper by MS Dhoni. Okay, you can see the image of Alyssa Healy here. This question is very much important in exam perspective view. Okay. Next question. Who has launched the new logo of Sports Authority of India, SAI, Sports Authority of India? Saurabh Ganguly, Kiran Rijiju, Rajesh Kumar, option D, none of these. The correct answer here is Union Sports Minister, option B, Kiran Rijiju. Kiran Rijiju, the Minister of State for the Youth Affairs and Sports, has launched the new logo of Sports Authority of India, SAI, Sports Authority of India, okay, on 30 September. The SAI, Sports Authority of India, is established in 1984. SAI is established in 1984, and the Director of Sports Authority of India is recently in Sandeep Pradhan. Sandeep Pradhan is the Director of SAI. Question number 8. CSIR Technologies for Rural Development is launched by which union minister? Home Minister, Health Minister, Finance Minister, or option D, none of these. The correct answer here is Union Health Minister. Union Health Minister. Option B is correct here. Union Health Minister and Family Welfare, Dr. Harshvardhan, has launched CSIR Technology for Rural Development. Okay, CSIR, abbreviation is CSIR is Council of Scientific and Industrial Research. Council of Scientific and Industrial Research. You can see the image of Union Health Minister Dr. Harshvardhan here. Next question. Which state has signed a 5-year memorandum of understanding with Denmark? Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, West Bengal, option D, Gujarat. The correct answer here is option D, Gujarat. Recently, the Gujarat government has signed a 5-year MOU with Denmark in the water sector. Okay, Gujarat is in news. The capital of Gujarat is Gandhinagar. Chief Minister is Vijay Rupani, and Acharya Devvrat is the Governor of Gujarat. Okay, I hope you got the facts also now. Next question. Last question of the today's session is, who has signed a MOU with BSE, Bombay Stock Exchange, to empower small business companies? Yes Bank, Karnataka Bank, SBI, or option D, PNB? The correct answer here is Yes Bank. Option A is correct here. Yes Bank has signed a MOU with Bombay Stock Exchange to empower the SME segment through awareness and knowledge sharing program. Okay, and the headquarter of the Yes Bank is situated in Mumbai. Headquarter is situated in Mumbai, and the CEO of Yes Bank is Prashant Kumar. Remember the name, Prashant Kumar is the CEO of Yes Bank. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. As per you know, this is our question of the day, and you have to answer in our comment box or comment section, and we will discuss this answer in our upcoming session. Our first question is, who is the new chairman of FTII Governing Council? Our second question is, NABARD will begin a sanitation literacy campaign in which state? Please try to answer more in comment section. Thereby regular practice is done by you, and a connected link between you and educational link will be established. Okay, and give your suggestion if you like the session also. Thank you for watching this session. Please like, subscribe and share as much as you can. Thereby many students got help. And if you like the session, then you can share it in your educational related group. Thereby many students got help. Okay, and those who first visit Educational Wing, don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Thereby you can got the notification very fast. Thank you. Have a great day.